Welcome back to my channel, foodie4jaz, your kitchen alliance. I'm gonna show you my version of chicken pineapple stew, or in Tagalog, pininyahang manok. And here are your ingredients. Take note of step 1. When cooking, I love to listen to good music. Let's start. On a heated pan, pour the cooking oil of your preference. Be careful. When the oil is hot enough, saute the onions and let it caramelize. You may add the chopped garlic. Drain the chicken from the marinade before adding into the pot. Keep the juice extract as we will need it later. Saute the chicken until it's golden brown. I chose the mid-joint part of the chicken this time because it is what my housemates requested, but actually you can also use breast part of the chicken or any part of your preference. Stir slowly, guys. Stir with love and passion. Always remember, food is love. You may add the chopped tomatoes and slowly stir. You may pour in the fish sauce in a circular motion into the pot. Such an amazing smell. Makes me so excited about this dish. The aroma of onions, garlic, and fish sauce. Classic flavors all in one. Sprinkle some salt and pepper to taste. Pour the chicken bouillon or chicken broth. Let it boil, let it boil. The pot never bothered me anyway. Okay, let's get serious, guys. Pour in the juice extract from the marinade. Do not stir at this point. Just cover and let it simmer for 8 to 10 minutes. May add the carrots. Stir a little bit. And add the pineapple chunks. Let it simmer for another 3 minutes. Just cover your pot. You may now add in the green bell pepper. Red bell pepper will be a great addition to this dish. And then pour in the fresh milk in a circular motion into your pan. If you can't find a fresh milk, evaporated milk will do. We are almost done. Just allow the green bell pepper to cook and hooray to a simple and nutritious meal that your kids will surely love. Presenting chicken pineapple stew, or in Tagalog, pininyahang manok. This is it. Here's a little bit of entertainment for you guys. I hope you guys are having a good time. Thank you for watching my page, and I hope that you subscribe, like, and press the notification bell for my future cooking adventure. Yay! It's time to eat! Finally! Again, this is foodie4jaz, your kitchen alliance, saying stay safe, be healthy, and strong. Take care!